Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser HD 350BT headphones. These are SEBT3 is the model number, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them and clear out delete all of the previous pairing history and everything like that. So you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to your device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you just want to get a fresh start, just wipe all the Bluetooth pairing history off of it so you can just set them up on a new device like they're a new set of headphones. We can go ahead and do that. Now you want to turn the Bluetooth off on whatever devices you have because this will not work if this is paired to anything. So turn the Bluetooth off on your devices. Go ahead and turn these headphones off, which is pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds. Once it turns off, we can press and hold it for 4 seconds and it will turn on and go into pairing mode. So once it's in pairing mode, it'll be the lights will be blinking, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, which indicates it's in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the on-off button and the three-way multifunction button on here for 3 seconds simultaneously. And you'll know it's worked when the LED on the headphones flashes purple 3 times. It'll delete the pairing list, and then it will go back to the red, blue, because now it's in pairing mode again and ready to be set up as a new set of headphones.